Okay, so on this part, we will convert this scanned mesh or this photo mesh into a 3D object. You will go here at the exports button, and then you choose export model, and then here in the options you can choose export as OBJ, or you have OBJ quads there. And then if you are going to open this in Maya, make sure you click Y up so that the model is going to be upright or standing on or vertically oriented. Next, the textures. Let's turn on the displacement and the normals. So keep them checked. So now we have all those done. You just click export. After clicking export, this file folder will be prompted. Let's go back here to be sure. Let's go back to the drive. And then I will just click my data. Click the select folder so that it will be saved in there. Now the exporting starts. Now that the export is done or the exporting process is done, let's do this thing first. Let's go to our Windows Explorer and make sure that we go to our drive here in the Autodesk drive, and then we right click our data folder and we turn on or we choose sync. This is just to make sure that there's the progress. This is just to make sure that our folder on the desktop is sync with our Autodesk drive. So once you right click and sync, you wait for the progress to finish. Okay? Once the progress is done, let's go to the Autodesk drive here, and then you just choose reload, and you will see that the folder or the folder for the scan files is going to be updated. The my data folder appears, and there it is. So inside here, let's double click this one first. So you will see the file content. There is an FBX default saved model there. I'll go back to the My Data folder, and this time I'll click this, the one with -1. And this is the result of the OBJ export. This is the one that we will download. So let's download this folder. So now I am done downloading this file or this zip folder file. I'll just open it from its location. I will right click this and I will extract. Let's say I will extract here, and there it is. And then I will run Maya. So the Maya is running now. I'll just go to File. I'll choose Import. And then I'll go to the Downloads folder. And I'll search for the name. There it is. The Harold Skull 1 folder. And from there you will find the OBJ. And from here I can just click Import. Now we have the scanned skull. Let me just resize this a bit. Okay. Now with this, I can turn on the material preview here. Let me just close these other windows here. So I can turn on the material preview here, and I will be able to see that the scan file has been imported in Maya. So that's how you import your scan files, or you turn your scan files into 3D and then import it into a 3D software like Maya.